Hey guys, Chris here with Good Land Travel Agency. We are here at the Hyatt Zilara Cap Cana. We're bringing you a tour of the Junior Suite Swim Out. All right, moving inside the room now. This is a king bed configuration, but you can also get this room with a 2 queen configuration if you'd like. And right over here, you have your couch. Now, some of these room configurations have pull-out couches. Contact us, we'll help you figure out which room configuration has that pull-out couch for you. And right over here, we have the snacks that they include with all rooms here at the Hyatt Zilara. You've got your M&Ms, Nature Valley Crunch Bars. I'm actually getting pretty hungry looking at these Pringles right here, coffee, ice bucket, and some nice glasses. You've also got your mini fridge here, which is stocked with your standard mini fridge beverages. We've got water, El Presidente Light, some mixers, some orange juice and apple juice, as well as your Coke, Coke Zero, and Sprite. Now this is restocked daily, or also they'll bring you some more upon request. One of the great things about this resort is the modern bathroom design. So over here we have double sinks as well as a nice place to get ready for your dinner or nightly entertainment. A nice makeup mirror right here, as well as your oversized shower with a rain shower head. I absolutely love the tile work and what they did in here. Thanks so much for viewing our content of the Hyatt Ziva and Zilara Cap Cana. These are 2 of our favorite resorts here in Punta Cana. Contact us for your next booking. We are experts on this property and would love to help set you up on your next vacation. Chris here, the owner of Good Land Travel Agency. Thanks so much for viewing our content. We offer personalized service and expert knowledge. Contact us to book your next vacation and check us out at goodlandtravelagency.com.